Hi, I'm here in Bristol. Welcome to our campus tour.
What I like about studying in Bristol is that there's no judgment and you've got quite a lot of space to do what you want to do.
The opportunity to integrate with others, like the social life, is amazing. The music scene is just brilliant. It's the perfect place to be if you want to work in the industry.
Everyone's friendly, open-minded. There's so much music that's always going on. It's just a great place to study.
I really like the mixing consoles. I like the audience desks. I think they're just a really good size. At first they were quite big and overwhelming, but you know, the more times you practice and the more times you use them, it's actually really fun.
My favourite studio in the ground floor is Studio 3. The API desk in there is fantastic. It's really mechanical feeling. It doesn't feel quite as digital and it feels a bit more authentic. And it's just a great space. It sounds great as well.
The facilities at dBs, they're world class. I couldn't really believe it when I came here for the first time. So just having access to those while I study here is amazing.
Still can't get my head around some of the stuff we've got here, like a Dolby Atmos suite, which is just really ahead of its time, I think. Generally, the studios are just a nice place to be, a really nice place to chill out, and they're really, really great for improving your technical skills and really, really top-tier equipment.
What I like about the first floor studio is there's a lot of variety in the synths, a lot of different types of synths you can use, and when I go in here I'm seeing, I can see all this different space, it's different from home, and I get a different experience, and I feel musical, you know.
The thing I like about the first floor studios is it's a lot more familiar and comfortable. It's all patched, pretty much already set up for you, and all you need to do is change the inputs and stuff in the door. It's great, yeah.
dBs Pro provides something quite unique where it provides a great transition between stuff that we learn in the classroom and then real-world practices. Having this as a bridge to help transition was really useful.
Hi, welcome to Studio 7 Cafe at dBs Institute. Here you can hang out, just socialise and get your work done as well.
What I really like about working in the space is that, we have amazing equipment that has access to all the softwares that we need, and also in this space we get to play games and host our game society.
With these IT suites, it's good that there's so much equipment in here and there's enough machines around to go around. So that's kind of the main thing with these suites.
I think it's great. It's from all facets of the industry, both DJing and production and sound design and mixing, anything that I'm interested in, I can go to.
Working in this space is great because looking at this hall is your standard
200 to 400 cap venue, so it's really getting yourself into the industry. You're basically already working there.
Studying in the spaces we have to learn is just always really welcoming. There's a bunch of different equipment and there's always someone there to help you. You're able to have so many things out and do different creative things because of how large the area is and what different places you can put stuff in.